All right, so today we are going to be teaching you two things, okay? Number one, we need to show you how to set up the base for your crash protection structure. So when we showed you the actual testing device that swings down, the whole thing was sitting on a 3x5 index card base. So the first thing we need to do with this is on two of the corners, we are going to make a triangle like this. And like this. Those are going to be the back corners of your structure. All right? And on the front, right in the middle, we are just going to make a little bullseye, okay? And that bullseye is where the tester is going to swing down and hit. So we're going to make a little arrow like that. Okay? Now, when you are making your project and you start building with art straws, you need to have pieces of your structure in all three of these areas. This part of your structure will get hit by the tester, and then these two triangles will support your tester on the wooden piers. All right, so those are three very important areas that you need to have parts of your structure in. All right? The other thing we need to do to get set up to build is you are going to get 5 art straws. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you lose any, you are out of luck. So what you need to do is you're going to rip off a piece of masking tape. Tape a little flag on it. And then you're going to write your name right on the end of all of the art straws. All right? And that will allow you to identify all 5 of your art straws. Now, that also means when you're working, you need to make sure that when you're cutting pieces of your straw, you're cutting them from this end and gluing them to your project so that when you put your project away, you still have the piece with your name. Or if you cut that off, you have to retape that on there and put your name on it. All right? So that's the first thing we need to do when we separate. We need to get our index card labeled like this, and we need to get all 5 of our art straws with our names on them on a piece of masking tape.